Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Math1089. 220. Today's video is about the number 220 and it is a continuation to our previous video whose title was 220 and 284 friendly numbers. The link for the video is given in the description box. In this video, we will consider various representations of the number 220 by the use of various mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, factorial, etc. The first representation of 220 goes like this. We can write 220 using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 like 1 into 2 into 34 plus 56 plus 7 plus 89. Here the digits are being used in increasing order starting from 1 up to 9. So the order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the next representation of 220, we will again use the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 but in decreasing order. That means we start using the digit 9 first, then 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2 and finally 1. We can write as 9 into 8 plus 76 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 into 21. Next, we have used the digits 1, 7, 2 and 9 only to represent 220 as minus 1 plus 7 into 2 plus 9 into 1 plus 7 into 2 into 9. Once again, negative sign is also used here. We can express 220 using various digits and exponentiation. Using exponentiation and operations like addition, subtraction. For example, we can write it like 4 to the power of 4 minus 5 cube minus 10 cube plus 33 square, which is equal to 220. Here the digits used are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. In the next representation, we can write 220 as 4 to the power of 4 minus 6 square minus 8 to the power of 5 plus 32 whole cube. Once again, the digits used are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. There is no 7. Also, it is in the form of exponential representation of 220. Another exponential representation of 220 is minus 7 square plus 14 cube minus 15 cube plus 30 square. The digits used here are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. There is no 6. Another representation of 220 is 2 cube minus 2 to the power of 7 plus 4 square plus 18 square. Here the digits used are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 8 only. Minus 2 to the power of 8 plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 14 square. This is another representation of 220 in exponential form. Here the base numbers are all even. Moreover, the digits used are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 8 only. We can also write 220 as minus 4 cube plus 4 to the power of 4 minus 15 to the power of 4 plus 37 cube. This is the form where 220 is being expressed in the exponential form. Moreover, the digits used are 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. In this representation of 220, we can see all the digits from 0 to 9 being used, and we can write 220 as 0 to the power of 7 plus 1 to the power of 9 plus 2 to the power of 5 minus 3 to the power of 8 plus 4 to the power of 6 plus 5 square plus 6 cube plus 7 to the power of 4 plus 8 to the power of 0 plus 9 to the power of 1. We now want to introduce one more mathematical operation, that is factorial. Using factorial and exponentiation with other mathematical operations, we can write 220 like 4 plus 3 factorial whole to the power of 2 plus 1. 3 factorial is equal to 6 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is 216 and 4 plus 216 gives us 220. Another representation of 220, which is equal to 4 plus 3 factorial plus 210. 3 factorial is 6, 6 plus 4 10 and 210 plus 10 is equal to 220. We can write 220 as 1 plus 2 factorial whole cube plus 4. These all are various representations of 220. Here the digits used are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Moreover, the digits are in the increasing order. If we introduce a square root now, then 220 can be written as 5 plus 6 factorial plus 7 minus 8 to the power of root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3 here. Another representation using square root is 220 equal to root 9 into 8 plus 76 plus 5 factorial. The digits used are 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5, and all of them appeared in descending order. Now it's the time to represent 220 using single digit. For example, if we consider 1, how to represent 220 using only ones? Here is the representation. 111 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 whole divided by 1 into 1. This value is equal to 220. It is the single digit expression where the digit 1 is being used. This is the next representation of 220 using the single digit 2, which is equal to 222 minus 2 into 2 plus 2 whole divided by 2 into 2. Its value is equal to 220. This is the third single digit representation of 220 using the digit 3, which is equal to 333 minus 3 into 3 plus 3 whole divided by 3 into 3. The next representation of 220 in the row is using the digit 4. We can write 220 as 444 minus 4 into 4 plus 4 whole divided by 4 into 4. Now 220 can also be expressed as 555 minus 5 into 5 plus 5 whole divided by 5 into 5. This is the single digit representation of 220 using the digit 5. 666 minus 6 into 6 plus 6 whole divided by 6 into 6. This is the single digit representation of 220 where we can see the appearance of the digit 6 only. Using the single digit 7, we can represent 220 like 777 minus 7 into 7 plus 7 whole divided by 7 into 7. This is the single digit representation of 220 using the digit 7. The single digit representation of 220 using the digit 8 is 888 minus 8 into 8 plus 8 whole divided by 8 into 8. This is equal to 220. Finally, using the digit 9, we can represent 220 like 999 minus 9 into 9 plus 9 whole divided by 9 into 9. So, considering the previous representation, we can see that the general representation of 220 using a single digit x, where the value of x can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is x minus x into x plus x whole divided by x into x. Here x means it's a 3-digit number like 111, 222, 333, 999 like this. It's a 3-digit number. So now a little bit of analysis is very important why it is equal to 220. If we write x in the expanded form, we can write it like 100x plus 10x plus x, which is equal to 111x. Now, if we substitute the value of x in the previous expression, then we can find 111x minus x into x plus x, which is equal to 2x whole divided by x into x. Now 111x minus x will give us 110x into 2x, which is equal to 220x into x whole divided by x into x. After cancelling x into x, we can find 220. This is the analysis how we are getting 220 from that representation. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please share this video and subscribe to our channel Math1089. Thank you once again.